Obviously that's too wide apart. Maybe cut it here, have the two pieces instead of flat, a little bit angled. Bit of force, managed to push them over. Oh, you really like the ramp. So I just need to bring these a bit closer together, cut a bit off this side. Just bring it slightly closer on that side. Got these two a bit too exposed. Have to stand here.